She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check. Pick up cold with a money spent.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if this is not your first time being here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. Bantu knot curls will give you a loose curl. See how like if I finger comb through it, the locks will go whatever way they want, whereas pipe cleaners will give you a more tighter curl. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a pipe cleaner curl tutorial as well. For me, Bantu knot curls only last about 3 to 5 days. I'm obsessed with curly locks, so usually after I retwist my hair, I'm putting them in some kind of curls. So let me know if you guys want to see the different ways I curl my locks with pipe cleaners, Bantu knots, braid outs, twist outs. It's basically everything that you can do to curl your natural hair heatless, you can do to curl your Microlocs. Okay, so let's get into the video so I can show you guys how I achieve this look. Okay, so we're gonna start off with my fresh retwist from about a day ago, I wanna say. And then I'm just gonna start by putting my hair up into a bun, just to section it all off so it's not in the way. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of locks out for each section. I didn't do a specific number, I just kind of grabbed them, honestly, like a handful. And then I'm gonna spray them with some rice water from Kaleidoscope. And then I'm gonna twist it all the way down to the end. And then once you get to the end, you're just gonna wrap it up. You're gonna wrap it around, going the same way as the twist, and then secure the end and move on to the next one.
Look. Creek. Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up for him on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a snack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Yeah, even blow it like a whistle, lie to officials. I'll drip it down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill. I caught your line, tell me and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck, nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Yo, stepping and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Been my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Been them niggas every since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in my eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffing. Grip my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Yeah, baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I've been living shady. I've been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'm a step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air jerks, I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. I fucking sack up at the jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with the teller, I don't know Q. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the club, reload the club, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't count. Go take a call, I cop the RP, a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham. Sus.
This is what they look like, and then we're gonna put on a bonnet, and then I'll take them out in about 12 hours the next day. Removing the Bantu knots is probably the easiest part. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on my hands. I'm using a carrot oil, and then I'm just going to rub the oil on my hands and then take the Bantu knots out. As you see, I kind of just pull it and it unravels, and then I finger comb each Bantu knot at the root so that I can get the most volume. And then you just continue to finger comb throughout the locks until you get your desired look and volume.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, come just hit me. Girl said he keeps on playing games and his loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes and the things go fire, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint, but he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the word, baby, when you get space, pin gang, give me lay, baby, let's penetrate. Oh, baby.